Today marks the 51st anniversary of Roe v. Wade, the Supreme Court decision that made abortion access a constitutional right. And nearly a year and a half ago, the Supreme Court overturned that precedent, giving individual states the power to decide what abortion access would look like. Republican legislators and pro-life organizations joined Governor Reynolds at the Capitol today for a rally as lawmakers continue to push for a more restrictive abortion ban in Iowa. Both Reynolds and Iowa Attorney General Brenna Bird told the crowd nothing is more important than the, quote, cause of life. As she also announced a new initiative to address maternal health care shortfalls in the state. Reynolds saying the initiative, named Thrive Iowa, will connect families with private organizations if they cannot get enough assistance from the government.
Whatever the challenge, Thrive Iowa will be there with dedicated navigators to help Iowans achieve lasting independence. The purpose of these policies is really, it's intended to surround families with protection, love, and support. And really that's what being pro-life is all about.
On the other side of the aisle, Iowa Democrats are fighting for the right to choose. In response to the governor's remarks, Democratic Party Chair Rita Hart says Republicans are out of touch with women who want control over their own decisions. Iowa Democratic Party Chair Rita Hart responding to the governor's remarks in a statement. Hart said, quote, Democrats across Iowa stand with the majority of Iowans who want to secure our fundamental freedoms by safeguarding the right to choose. Abortion in Iowa remains legal up to 20 weeks of pregnancy. Governor Reynolds signed a bill last summer to ban nearly all abortions after 6 weeks of pregnancy, but a temporary injunction put that law on pause. Attorney General Bird filed an appeal to the injunction last year and believes a judge could make a decision this summer. Now, the Biden administration is putting together a task force on reproductive health care. President Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris spoke on the anniversary of Roe today, introducing several measures that aim to improve access to contraceptives. The White House says the task force heard from doctors dealing with changing abortion laws in their states and discussed how they can strengthen access to reproductive care.
I believe Roe v. Wade was right. A fundamental right ripped away, important to so many Americans. A right that is vital to a country founded on the idea of freedom.
The government should not be telling her what to do with her body. This is, in fact, a healthcare crisis.
Vice President Harris is kicking off an abortion tour today, discussing reproductive rights across the country, starting in Wisconsin.